Okay. So hello everyone. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can apply the coupon code for the discount and the free delivery option. As you have seen the trailer of this uh, science fiction novel that I placed recently. So you have seen the trailer and now you want to buy
Know
this book.
about an advanced
But
artificial
you have
humanoid
seen
robot.
two of the links I provided. First one is of the Amazon. Now, how to buy this book? First of all, you can buy from this two links. Uh, if you want to buy from the Amazon, you have to click this link, and you have clicked this link, and you will be redirected to the Amazon store. And now, as you can see, this is the book description, and the price is 179. So now you want to buy now. By clicking this buy now, you can buy this book. That's all right. But you want to buy this book in some discount, or you want to have the free delivery option, as since if you go to buy this book from this Amazon, you have to pay another 50 for delivery. That's why in this video I'm going to show you that I have given a coupon discount for the first 100 buyers of this book. So if you are the first, if you are one of them in the first 100 buyers of this book, so the coupon for that is hot sale Andria. So you have to copy this coupon. You can copy this coupon like this. And where to apply this coupon? Listen very carefully that this coupon would be eligible only if you buy from this website. If you apply this coupon in the Amazon or any other store where it would be available, that is Flipkart, the coupon will not work. So you copy this coupon and click this website. I will show you how you can apply the coupon and get to apply the discounted price. Now you would be redirected to this website store. Now the price is 179, and here you can see, you can check whether it is available at your city by applying your pin code. Let me check for some random pin code. Yes, it is available at this pin code. Now you have to click the buy now. So I'm clicking the buy now. After clicking buy now, let me see if there is any option where I can apply this coupon. Now yes, you can see the price is 179. Now there is a option that is appearing, that is how you can apply for coupon, or you can apply your coupon here. So the coupon was hot sale Andria. Type the coupon like this, then you click apply, and you can see the price was 179 and it has dropped to 108 rupees. So there was a 50% discount. So by clicking this, you can apply the coupon and you can buy this book at a very discounted price, and this offer is valid only for the first 100 buyers of this book. So hurry up and apply this coupon as I have shown in this video. I hope you have got to know that, and do not forget that this coupon would be applied only if you click this Notion Press website. So at this price, you can buy this book. I hope you have got to know about this offer and share this video. Thank you.